alliance, and at the same time others. Like others are those who are independent and they are not part of any of these alliances, or they are those parties which are not associated to any of those alliances. So they come under the other categories. So basically, this project is not yet completed. It has a lot of other dashboards to be completed, but this is the first dashboard of this project where uh, uh, we have the little overview about the Indian general election, where we come to know about that NDA alliance got 292 seats in forming the government at the center, and it has 54% of the total seats. So basically, we have 543 total seats. So out of which India got 54%. And if we talk about the India alliance, which was led by the Rahul Gandhi, it got roughly around 234 seats, which was roughly 43% of the totals. And talking about others, so they got 70 seats. And if you will sum all of these, like Andy Alliance, India, and other seats, it will be equal to 543, since there are total 543 seats in the Lok Sabha elections. So you would see that in the NDA alliance, BJP is having the highest number of seats, that is 240, followed by TDP and JDU, and rest are other parties that are part of the NDA alliance, but they do not have a larger number of seats. They have around 4 to 5 to 1, like these numbers. And if we talk about the India alliance, so this is the India alliance. So in India alliance, the Indian National Congress is having the highest number of seats, that is 99, and followed by Samajwadi Party, that is the party of UP. And rest are these parties that we're not going to talk more about this, because this project is still in the progress. All right.